We have had some great reviews over the years from customers in the Berwyn, Pennsylvania area. Sandy Gilson writes, "When my cable snapped, I wasn't sure who to call, but I can thank Google for sending me your way. You guys were professional, inexpensive, and beyond reliable. I was very pleased with the work I received." As you can see, customer satisfaction is our #1 goal. Joanne writes, "I have used Allen Conkling for our garage door repair and replacements for several years and have always been very satisfied with the work and quick response. On at least 2 occasions, my husband and I have been instructed by phone how to fix the problem at no charge. Great service." So, if you're in need of garage door repair in the Berwyn area, call Allen Conkling Garage Door Services.